Hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, I don't know.
May I know your name?
Prab Kaur.
Prab Kaur. Prab, have you given the practice test of Duolingo?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you have not given the practice test. So
Yes.
Prab, what I will do is like I will, after this call, I will share a link with you, a website link, and that link will take you directly to the website in which you can give a practice test free of cost. Okay,
Okay,
with
ma'am.
that practice
Yes, ma'am.
test you will have an idea that how the real test will look like.
Okay.
Okay, Prab?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so
Thank you.
else everyone. Okay, someone has put.
Hello, excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, who is there?
Hello, ma'am. My
Yes,
name is my name is Jashan. I also don't know about this test.
okay, you also know about this test. So can I do one thing, all of you? I'm going to share my video.
Hello, excuse
I
me.
took a class for two students, and in that class I have explained them clearly each question, what is the question, what we have to do in that question. So I think that will help you to understand them. Okay,
Hello,
please watch
excuse
that
me.
video today only before we have class.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, excuse me, ma'am. This is Sakshi. Hello.
Okay, please, everyone, I want you to mute yourself immediately. Arun, I'm unmuting you. Oh, sorry, muting you. Puzzle is not able to join, I don't know. Okay, so let's begin with our describe image. Okay, what happens in this describe image? You are given a particular image and you are asked to write one or more sentences on this. So you have to actually explain the image. Okay, this is how it looks like. In the question, you will have something like this. Can you see this orange and gray bar? This orange and gray bar is actually the timer. Okay, and 54-second means this task actually is of 1 minute. So this task is of 1 minute. So you have 54 seconds have already left, and the task is telling you to write one or more sentences that describe the image. This is the image that you get here, and this is the response box in which you have to type the answer. So anything that you feel what this image is about, you don't have to think, okay, what is the right answer for this? Whatever you think is okay, you can use that and you can do that. Okay, a bit more detail about this. So the question type is describe image and write sentences. Time to answer. Time to answer is 60 seconds per image. So how much time do you get to type actually? You only get 60 seconds. Okay. You only get 60 seconds to type about that image. How it works? You will be asked to write few sentences describing an image. So first thing you should know is that the question says write one. Okay, let's look at the question again. The question says write one or more sentences. It means one is minimum. One is minimum. You have to write that, and you can write more than that. And you can write more than that. You can write two, you can write three, depending upon your typing speed. Okay, depending upon your typing speed. And first thing that whenever we get any image, we usually get panic. Okay, we don't know what is this image about. Example, if you get any musical instrument, okay, we all know how does a guitar looks like. but sometimes we don't know how does a harmonica looks like. Okay, so if someone doesn't know what is this harmonica, at least we can easily get to know, okay, this is a musical instrument. So that's where you have to use your own vocabulary, your own template. I can also say that this is a musical instrument. It's not important that you have to name that musical instrument. Another example, if you get a bird, okay, let's say you get a specific bird and you don't know the name of that bird. So what you can do, you can simply say, this is a bird. Forget it if you don't know the name of that bird. Whatever you know, just type it. And during this practice or during this session, if anyone has any question, any simple, tough, any kind of a question, please ask me. Okay, I have taken few images that usually come in Duolingo practice test. Okay, this is one of the image that comes in Duolingo practice test. And what is the strategy to do this now? So please everyone have a look at it. I'm going to work on the strategy now. The right strategy to explain any image is to quickly jot down the keywords. Okay, keywords actually help you to frame your sentence better. So you can quickly jot down the keywords, and this strategy will actually, you don't have to jot down the keywords on your test day, but as you are doing practice, you are new to this topic or you're new to this question. Someone has any question? नहीं तो मैंने ऐड करा है. Just a second. I think someone is must be on the call. Fazil is there. Fazil, please put yourself on mute. Hi, Nai. Quickly.
हाँ मैम.
Yeah, we just started. I want you to put yourself on mute, and I'm covering described image today, which is one of the item type of okay, which is one of the item type of Duolingo practice test. So, Naeem, if you have any question, you can always unmute and ask a question. And don't take
Okay.
snapshots. I will share the recording with you. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So we were here. So whenever you get any image, quickly find out what are the keywords, like what this image is actually telling you about. So what I did, I quickly wrote beach is there. I could see a mother. I could see some kids. I can see they are walking. Then there is a shore and there is a relaxed feeling. So whatever I could write down, I quickly wrote it. Okay. So these keywords actually helped me in framing my sentences. Ideally, whenever you get a describe image, you should actually just, do 2 or 3 sentences, and don't try to make very short, simple sentences. Okay. And 4 sentences not advisable. 3 sentences, I think, sufficient to explain any image. If you look at the box of the response, so what I have written down, the image shows a beautiful beach side. Okay. The image shows a beautiful beach side. A mother is walking on the beach sand along with her kids. It looks like they are enjoying being at the beach. Okay. So I actually framed 3 sentences. I don't have to really use very, complex sentences. the test is not actually kind of a IELTS, English test wherein you have to really work on your compound and the complex sentence. This test is comparatively bit easier than IELTS and PTE as well. So you have to be, explanatory and try to cover as much as point as you can. Moving on to the next image, I'll be sharing at least 3 to 4 examples with you, and then we all will be doing an exercise together. Okay, look at this image. This is the same image which I showed you as the example. Okay, again, as I look at this image, most of you might have seen this image while doing Duolingo practice test. So this image, as I look at it, the keywords that I quickly striked at my mind, like a river bank, people stranded, mountain plains at the behind, then plants are also there, a boat is there, people are getting down and boarding the boat. So river is there, plants are there, people are there, boat is there. So this is all what I could find it out. Okay. So the image shows a river bank where people are getting down from the boat and others are boarding. So people are getting down from the boat and others are boarding. So this is the same keyword I had and I framed a sentence from it. In the background, some trees can be seen along with mountains. Okay. So in the background, so anything that you see as a background, you can always use in the background. Okay. Anything that you see behind, you can always use in the background. Some trees can be seen along with mountains. I hope this is clear. If anyone has any doubt, you can always ask me. I'll just take a pause of 30 seconds. If you have any questions, please ask me. Okay, no questions, I think. So I'll move on. Okay, look at this one. I hope the image is very much clear to everyone. If it is not clear, you can always tell me that it's not clear. Okay. So this image, the keywords that I wrote is that it's a high sky. The rocket is crashing and the particles are falling. There is a massive explosion and it's a blast. Okay. High sky, rocket crash, particles are falling, it's a massive explosion and it's a blast. So from these keywords, anyone has a question? Anyone has any question? I believe someone has put Fazil, you are on unmute. Do you have a Fazil?
Yeah, just now I connected.
Okay.
But I'm not able to connect in my laptop. Only mobile is working.
No worries. It's a first class, so obviously we are having a trial
I'm
and
not
error.
able to view that slides. Oh,
Okay. So see, this is the image. I quickly wrote down the keywords and then I tried to frame my own sentence, which is in the given image, it is shown that rocket is getting crashed in the high sky. Okay. So the rocket is getting crashed in the high sky. The particles of the rocket are falling apart. The particles of the rocket are falling apart. Moreover, it looks like a massive explosion. So 3 sentences. And everyone, can you, if you have a notepad and a pen with you, I want to give you a few points to write down. Please take down few points to write down. See, you can actually, if you want to explain any image, okay, if you want to explain any image, ideally you can start your sentence with 3 phrases. The first one is in the given image. In the given image. Okay, so you can write it down. In the given image, if I want to take this image only, how will I show? In the given image, a rocket can be seen getting crashed. Got it? Or in the given image, if you see at the sentence that I have already done, in the given image, it is shown that rocket is getting crashed. So the first phrase is in the given image. Okay. Now second phrase. The given image shows that. So the second phrase is the given image shows that rocket is getting crashed. Rest can be same. Now third phrase. Third is first we have to take the topic, like the rocket is getting crashed. Okay, let me just say it again. A rocket can be seen in the given image which is getting crashed. Means dash, whatever the topic is, can be seen in the given image. Okay, so I'm again telling you I have taken three phrases. First phrase is in the given image, whatever you want to say. The second is the given image shows, then what the topic is. And the third is take the topic. A mother and daughter can be seen in the given image. Example. One more example. Firefighters can be seen in the given image. Okay. Another example. A police helping the general public can be seen in the given image. So so what you can say? What is in the image then can be seen in the given image. Like that also you can use. I hope this is clear to everyone. If you have any doubts, please tell me. Okay, moving forward, any image that you get, the most important thing is that which tense we should use. Okay, so any image that you get, please use present continuous tense. You can write it, use present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense? Example, if you can look at the image right now, the slide right now, I have written in the given image, it is shown that rocket is getting ing. The continuous tense always have ing. Okay, so rocket is getting crashed in the high sky. So this is present continuous. The particles of rocket are falling, present continuous. So you can always please follow present continuous tense and you can use any of the three phrases that I have shared with you. Moving further. Okay, this river bank we have done. Okay, now look at this one. So this is something very natural, something. It's a natural scenery. Yeah, and then there's a lot of greenery. It looks like a forest. There is a bridge and there are strings, or you can call it rope. So the bridge is actually made or tied up with the ropes. And I think it's a man-made bridge. It's not made by any machine. So it's a man-made bridge and it is usually used to cross one place to another. Okay. So the sentences that I had framed from this is a man-made bridge held with ropes. So it is actually held with ropes. So a man-made bridge held with ropes can be seen in the image. The area is covered with a dense forest. The area is covered with dense forest and no human can be seen in the image. Okay. Now, one more thing I want to tell you in this. I have used something from my own imagination, that is no human can be seen in the image. Why I have used this? Because I was not able to frame any other sentence. I was thinking, what shall I do? So, but you know, I always say that 2 to 3 sentences we should make. So what I did, I was thinking the area is covered with dense forest. I think I need to add some more information. So what I did, I just added from my own, no human can be seen in the image. So this particular phrase you can only use, or this particular sentence you can only use when you think I'm not able to get anything. Then you can use it. Okay, one more practice. So let's say this is the image, and so the keywords that came to my mind for this particular image, a man is there and he is leading a meeting, and people are wearing colorful clothes. There are mix of people, and it's look like more like a office meeting because everyone is in a professional dress, and he's standing on the podium. Okay, this is all what I thought of after looking at this image. And the sentences that I could make is, the given image shows that man is standing on the podium. He is addressing to the group of people which has mix of males and females. Now one more thing I want every one of you to notice. You might have heard what are conjunctions. Okay, if you don't know, I can share a YouTube link with you so that you all can watch what are conjunctions. Conjunctions are used to connect two sentences and make it one. If you look at this image, the second sentence that I have framed, I have written, he is addressing to the group of people. Okay, this is one complete sentence actually. He is addressing to the group of people, one complete sentence, and the image has mix of males and female, one complete sentence. But what I did, I connected these two sentences by using which. Okay, so which has become my connector, or it has actually become my conjunction. It has helped me to connect two sentences. He is addressing to the group of people which has mix of males and females. So which has become my conjunction. If you also look over here in this image, we did this earlier. The second sentence, the area is covered with dense forest. It's one complete sentence. No human can be seen in the image. One complete sentence. But what I did, I used and I combined the sentence. So you can also do like this. Okay, now everyone. Before I proceed, I want you to have any questions or any doubts that you have till now. Any questions as of now? Or it's pretty clear? किसी के कोई डाउट्स, किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन, प्लीज टेल मी. अगर डाउट्स नहीं है तो आई विल थिंक दैट यू नो एवरीथिंग नाउ. Shall I?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what are we going to do? Just a second. Okay, let's look at this image. Is this image very much clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So I will, okay, I have the list of names with me. So what I usually prefer that during the test, I want all of you to participate so that I know where are we standing and how we are improving. So let's say if I have this image, I want any one of you to take the initiative and tell me the keywords that we can write on from this image.
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Who is this?
Shruti.
Okay, Shruti, yes, tell me.
In the given picture, there is
No, sentences we will frame later. I just want the keywords.
okay, ma'am. Ocean means beach. Beach.
Beach. Okay.
Children.
Children.
Two aged people.
Aged people. Okay.
And
Clouds.
clouds
Clouds. Very good. Who said that?
Arun.
and boats,
Boat. Yes.
sand,
Anything else?
sand,
Sand. Sand.
Sand. Yes. What is happening in the front? Because see, the old man is in the background.
Playing game,
Yeah.
football,
Ma'am, two children
playing
are
game,
made something
playing game.
with the help of sand.
Two children. Can we call them a girl and a boy?
Sand house.
Yeah, they are making castle.
Okay, class. And playing game, ma'am, one of football,
Children playing
volleyball.
volleyball. Okay, I think we have taken good lot of keywords. And now, thank you, Shruti. Now, can I have Arun is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Arun, is it possible for you to make sentences like this? I will
Yes.
write down. Tell me the sentence.
Ma'am, there are two children which is made
There are
something.
two. Everyone else, please mute. Only Arun, you can speak then. There are two children. Yeah.
Try to making castle with sand.
To make. It's called castle. Okay. Trying to
Okay.
make castle with
And
sand. Okay.
as well as
Tell me the sentence.
there are two or three children playing volleyball on the beach.
Moreover, there are three. I think three
Yes,
children
ma'am.
playing
Volleyball.
volleyball at the beach. Okay. What
Uh,
can you see in the background?
And in water, one old people is going with children in water, and
Okay. An old man along
with children.
with a small child. एक है तो child होगा, children नहीं होगा, ठीक है? It's only one child there. With a small child can be seen in the background. Okay, so try to use what is in the front and what is in the back.
Okay.
Now there are two children trying to make castle with the sand. Okay, what can we do here? Two children trying to make castle with sand can be I've used letters also.
Ma'am, sand.
Castle. The given
मैम
image.
डिस्टरबेंस बहुत आ रहा है, आपका आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है.
How many people have unmuted? Abhi, now I think it's clear now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see Arun, the
Yes.
given image shows two children trying to make castle with sand. You can actually make it, see the sand castle. Okay. The given image shows two children trying to make sand castle. Moreover, there are three children playing volleyball at the beach. An old man along with a small child can be seen in the background. More than enough to get a very good score.
Ma'am, after beach we can use as well as.
See, as well as na, you can't. As well as actually, it should not be used in a continuation. At the same time, if I have to link it, I would prefer that you can use additionally. You can use moreover.
Okay.
Okay, Arun is done. Charan, are you there? Okay, Charan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Charan, from this image, what keywords can we bring?
A man.
A man or a obese man? Obese means a fatty person. Can
Yes.
I write? Obese
Yes,
man.
obese man.
Okay. And
Burger,
burger or a huge burger?
a huge burger.
Yes. And
Eating
yes. Burger में fillings. What are the fillings you think there are?
um,
Cheese is there.
yes,
Lettuce, leaves, and then I think a patty is also there. Vegetable cutlet. And background is which color?
black color.
Okay. Now see everyone. Now this image has nothing, actually doesn't have a lot to say. If you look at this image doesn't have a lot to speak on. So I'll just say the background is of black color. Okay. So now I want Fazil.
Yeah,
Fazil,
yes, ma'am.
please. Okay. Please frame first sentence.
Yeah. The given image shows that
Yeah.
an obese man
Shows an obese man. Yeah.
eating a huge burger.
Eating a huge burger.
Uh,
Shall I put a full stop or you want to continue with the same sentence?
I want to continue.
Okay.
Full huge burger filled with filled with
Filled with
cheese,
cheese.
lettuce,
Yeah.
vegetable cutlet,
And vegetable, please. Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Last sentence then.
Uh, his background is completely black.
Okay. The background is of black color. Okay. See everyone, if you remember when we got that, the bridge one where it was all greenery, I told you, I framed a sentence, no human can be seen in that image. That was taken from my side. So if I want to make your something more, I want to add, what shall I add? So I can also say it looks like that he is quenching his quenching his hunger. It means कि वो अपनी भूख को मिटा रहा है. So it looks like that he is quenching his hunger. So this is something that I gave from my side. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, Geetu,
Hello, excuse me.
who's there? Please unmute. Okay, yeah.
Hello.
Geetu, are you there? Geetu,
Hello.
Geetu, I can't hear you. You have to be loud.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Geetu, loud. A bit more.
Hello.
Yes, Geetu. Okay, keywords for this image, Geetu.
Water.
I can't. Please louder. Yes, Gitu.
Water.
Water. Okay. Next.
Building.
Building. Okay. Next.
And one large building.
Longest building. Tallest building.
And sky.
Sky. Anything else you want to add?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Harpreet. Yeah, who's there?
Sakshi, is this Burj Khalifa?
I can't. You're not audible.
Ma'am, is this Burj Khalifa? The
Yes,
tallest
this is
building
Burj
in the world?
Khalifa. Can I write Burj Khalifa? I didn't help actually, but now if you are adding, so I will write it. Okay,
In
now
Dubai.
I want Harpreet. Harpreet, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Harpreet, something easy for you because keywords मिल चुके हैं. So please frame the sentence.
Uh, in this image,
Okay.
we can easily see that a tallest building
Easily see
that
that नहीं आएगा. We can easily see the tallest
building
building. Okay. Called.
uh, Burj Khalifa.
Okay. Yeah.
While there are
Okay. While is your conjunction. Yes. While
there are more buildings which are smaller than that of smaller than that building.
while there are more buildings which are
Small.
comparatively smaller than Burj Khalifa. Okay. Next. What is
Uh,
in front of Burj Khalifa?
ma'am, water
So it's a lake actually.
lake, and there is a and
More,
there is a lake in the front of
there is a lake in the
front
front of
of
the.
On top
it.
Burj Khalifa.
Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I have a bit more of practice. Let me open that. Okay. Okay, keywords please for this image. Let me just expand it so you can see clearly. Now I want Jashan. Jashan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Jashan, can you see the image clearly?
Not, ma'am. There's little bit small.
It will be this size only. Whatever you can see from this, no problem. Tell me.
Okay, ma'am. One bike,
A bike. Yeah.
people,
Yeah.
uh, road also.
Road. Yes. Can you see a bus there?
Yes, ma'am.
Bus is in the front or in the
Bus
background?
in the back.
What is happening? Bike. What the people are doing actually? Can you see?
Accident, like accident.
No, it's a shooting happening.
Okay, shooting.
Bollywood.
Okay. And the traffic is there, but it has been stopped.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now I want. Is there? I think Malika. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Malika. Please try to make sentences from these keywords.
In this image, shooting has been done.
Has been done. नहीं आएगा.
Shooting
Shooting is being
is
shown.
being
Or
and
actually, wait. A film shooting can be seen in
seen
the.
the given image.
Yes. Okay. Next, what else you can see?
In which
Yeah, in which.
a lot of people
पहले ना नहीं first try let's try okay try to cover the bike part and the people those who are trying to shoot. Okay. in
Okay,
which a lot of people, yeah,
are sitting on a
are sitting on the,
this is a kind of bus.
no, it's not a bus, let's call it on the shooting crane.
On the shooting crane.
Yeah,
And the bike.
and the bike, yeah,
There is a red bike.
no, and a person is riding a red
Bike.
bike. Okay, next, what
Moreover,
could be the next sentence? Yes,
moreover, in the background,
yeah,
there is a traffic
there is a traffic
because of shooting.
because of shooting. I think it's clear. So what I want to tell all of you that you don't have to go into too much of complication when making the sentences. Okay, whatever you can see, just try to quickly frame the sentence. Okay, next is okay. So I want Wasim, are you there? Wasim,
Yes, ma'am.
Wasim, keywords, please. Can you see this image, or you want me to expand it a bit?
Yes, ma'am. A, a child.
Uh, a girl child.
girl.
Let's write that.
Okay.
Okay.
And twice.
Toys. Okay.
And playing with toys.
Playing.
With toy.
Okay. With toys.
With
Do
toys.
you know what kind of a toy it is? Let me elaborate. Can you see this? I have expanded the image? Can you see what are these toys?
I don't know actually, ma'am.
Okay, these are actually called blocks.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll still write blocks here. Okay, anything else that you can find out from the image? How does the girl looks like? Is she happy or sad?
Happy.
Okay,
Happy.
and what kind of colors and what is the background, the colorful background?
White background.
No, like generally the overview, if you want to see, what is it? It's colorful picture.
Yes, ma'am. Colorful picture.
Okay. So try to figure out some, words on our own, that colorful picture or attractive scenery or a beautiful sea view. We can always use some adjectives. If you want to write, you can write it that you can use adjectives to describe the image.
Okay,
Like
ma'am.
beautiful landscape or, beautiful sunset and a colorful picture, any kind of a background adjectives you can use to explain that particular image.
Okay, ma'am.
Monica, please explain the image. Try to. Anything that comes to your mind, don't worry. Yes, Monica, please. One sentence, no problem. Monica, are you there? I can't see. Stanley?
मैम म्यूट किया हुआ है मोनिका ने.
Monica,
Hi,
mute
ma'am.
yourself.
Am I audible?
Yes, now it's clear.
Yes. In the given image, a girl child can be seen playing with
Hold
toys.
on. I have to type also. Slow. Tell me.
Okay. In the given image,
In the given image,
a girl child
a girl child.
can be seen playing
Yes.
with
Yeah.
with uh, toys of blocks with her toys
With her toys, okay,
of blocks
which are toys called blocks.
called blocks. Okay.
Okay,
And she is seen in happy mood.
she can be seen in the happy mood. Okay,
In overall, the picture is very colorful.
overall the picture is very colorful. Clear, everyone? I think it's a, short and crisp, and then we have written 3 sentences. We have covered everything. That's good enough. Now, still to finish, so I will go on with my next. Okay. Now it will be Stanley. Are you there? Stanley? Stanley, just check if you have unmuted yourself. Yes, Stanley? You're still mute. Please unmute it. Stanley, just unmute yourself.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So we were on this image. Can you see this image clearly, Stanley?
Yes, mom, I can see.
Okay. What keywords are coming to your mind after this?
Okay, I'm seeing a school bus, a yellow
Okay.
school bus.
Yeah. Next.
I'm seeing a group of children entering the school bus.
Group of children entering bus. Yes. Okay. Anything else?
Next.
What's the time of the day it is?
It should be in the morning hours.
Morning hour. Okay.
And
So why I
the
asked time of the day, everyone? Because let's say again, because there is nothing much we can explain about this image. So we can say it looks like it's the morning hour of the day. Okay. And what's the color of bus?
yellow and black.
Yellow, majorly yellow.
Yellow.
So
And the
everyone,
bus is and the bus
yeah,
is packed. The bus is packed.
the bus is parked.
Yes. That is not moving.
Parked bus. And can we also say that the children are actually boarding the bus?
Yes, mom.
Yeah. So this is all, and I don't know whether this is a school teacher or it's still a school student. So just say children are boarding the bus. The
Looks
bus
like a school teacher.
Okay. Thank you, Stanley. Now can I have Prabh?
Hello, ma'am. You are not audible for me.
I'm not audible. I'm audible to everyone, I believe. Prabh, can you hear me?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Prabh.
Yes, ma'am.
Prabh, can you frame any sentence with these keywords?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
In this picture, we can see that.
Prabh, what is your age?
Ma'am, 20.
You're 20 years.
Yes, ma'am.
I want to see your face. Show me. I want to check your face. Show me your video.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have also a confusion.
Prabh, I can't see your video. Show me your video, Prabh. I want to see your face. Okay, your voice is like a small child. Now I was thinking, is there a school student studying Duolingo? Okay, no issues. Continue. Okay, tell me now this. Yes, Prabh, tell me.
In this picture, we can see that.
In this picture, we can see that
They are alone. They are two,
Hello,
two
ma'am.
or three.
You are not audible for me due to some internet connection. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, who is there? What happened? Okay, moving back. Okay, bro, please continue. In this picture, we can see that
The yellow parked bus.
yellow bus
Yellow,
parked
yellow bus.
in which
In which
children are boarding bus. Present continuous tense. Are boarding the bus. Full stop. Next, what else we can say? Can we say yellow instead of yellow? Just say it's school bus. Is parked in which children are boarding the bus. Next, what else we can say? Look at the keywords which we have not used.
It is a time of early morning.
It is a okay. It looks like
It looks like
morning
early morning.
hour of the day. Okay, I think that's enough.
Yeah.
Okay, next is Priyanka. Priyanka, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Priyanka, from this image, what we can figure out? Tell me the keywords.
Doctor.
Doctor, yes.
Hello. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, who's there?
Hello.
I can hear you. Priyanka?
Yes, ma'am. Doctor and the lady patient.
Okay. Yes. What is doctor doing?
This is what?
Checking. Do you know what is that?
Oh, exactly. Blood pressure.
Blood pressure.
Checking the blood pressure.
Okay. And is it an old lady?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So let's use old lady because I need words, right?
Mm.
And what is in the background? It looks like a clinic.
Clinic.
Okay. And I think that's more than enough. Or
Yes.
can we explain something else? Let's try to make
Yes.
sentences. And
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You can say a male doctor. It's a
oh
male
wow,
doctor.
that's good. Male doctor.
Yes.
Okay. Anything else?
And a female, like an aged patient. That woman is aged.
Sorry, what did you say?
I mean, the patient is an elderly patient, like old.
Elderly
She,
patient.
yeah,
Okay.
okay. Elderly female patient. You can see the stethoscope, the doctor's stethoscope on the neck.
Has the stethoscope.
Yeah.
Stethoscope. I will have to find out the spelling of stethoscope if I'm correct or not. Stethoscope. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, who's there?
Due to some internet.
Who's that?
I am Jashan.
Jashan.
Ma'am, yes, there's some internet problem.
Okay, Jashan, no problem. I hope you are actually just observing what we are doing here and learning.
Okay, ma'am.
Sakshi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Sakshi, please tell me the sentence.
Yes, ma'am. In the given image,
Sakshi, louder. Have I done you with you before? Sakshi or Shruti have I done before?
ma'am, this is the first time I'm doing.
Okay, Shruti is done. Sakshi, I want you to speak a bit louder.
Okay, ma'am. In this picture,
Yeah.
a doctor is observing blood pressure of a lady patient who is quite old.
I will say a male doctor is checking an old
He's checking the blood pressure
Lady.
and old.
is checking the blood pressure of
A lady patient.
Of a lady patient. Okay.
Quite old.
Who is
Quite old.
okay. Instead, just say the lady patient is quite old and looks sick.
And look.
Okay. And another sentence.
And the doctor has also
Loudly.
The doctor has also bought stethoscope.
The doctor has a stethoscope round his neck.
Around his neck.
I think that's it.
मैम इसके अलावा ये भी लिख सकते हैं and the doctor is gently checking the patient.
Doctor, but we have written the doctor is checking the patient.
लाइन को एलिमिनेट करके अगर दूसरी लाइन ये लिखनी हो जो एग्जैक्ट सी लगती है.
Yeah, you can.
The doctor is gently treating the patient. उसमें पूरा हाथ पकड़ा है.
See, what I want to tell all of you is like, try to frame the sentence in which you are confident of. Okay, if you're confident, then you frame the sentence. If you're not, then let's avoid the sentence.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am,
can we use the sentence like overall image looks very pleasant with white color everywhere?
Pleasant तो नहीं है इस कुछ image में. There is nothing pleasant in this image.
Okay.
Overall, see, overall you can use for something like landscape, something really beautiful.
Okay.
Okay. Next, Solandeep.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is it the image clear to you?
No, ma'am.
No, yeah, you will get a much smaller image than this in the test.
Okay, ma'am. I'll try.
Yes, now this is good. Okay, keywords.
Okay, ma'am. There are two men.
What do it look
Security
like?
men.
Yes, it could be security, it could be police. Yeah, two security officers.
I think this is a store.
Yes, it is a store.
Grocery store. Grocery store. And
Okay, are they standing in front of the frozen food items?
yes, ma'am. They are standing.
Frozen food items. They are standing in front of frozen food items. Okay, I think this is more than enough. And the area looks clean. I have to use something now, so let me just write clean area. Okay. Who is not done? Is there anyone who is not yet done? Because as per my list, everyone is done. Okay, so let's frame
Mom,
it.
can I add something?
Who is there?
This is Stanley.
Stanley, yes, tell me.
The security officer, they are in a alert position, kind of.
They are in a which position, Stanley?
Alert position. Alert position.
Yes, good. That's good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
ऐसे भी हो सकता है कि they are getting the surveillance of the grocery shop.
They are
They are getting the surveillance of the grocery shop or taking the surveillance.
I can't listen. I'm not able to hear you properly.
Ma'am, these security guards, security officers
guards are
are
getting the
standing for
surveillance of the
surveillance
grocery
purpose.
shop.
One person at one time, please. These security of officers, civilians, I could understand. Rest, I am not able to understand. What are you trying to say?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
There are two security officers, which is surveillance of the food items, which is
Okay,
in
which is nahi aayega. There are two security officers who are doing surveillance of the food items kept in the frozen section.
yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, so how we can write? Okay, there are security officers doing kept in the frozen section of the store. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What else? Moreover, they are standing in
At clean area.
was standing. Moreover, the store surroundings look like very clean and hygienic. Clear? Moreover, the store surroundings looks like very clean and hygienic, or instead of like, you can just say looks very clean and hygienic. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So everyone, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to share few images with all of you. Okay. And then I want all of you to reply me through my email. Okay. You are going to send me your replies on the email, and then I'll be going through your practice, what you have done in describe image. Clear, everyone? So what I want from after, once we disconnect the call, please just type your email IDs to me. Okay, type down your email IDs to me, and then I will send you all email with the practice test of describe image. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
This call is disconnected. You all are going to share your email ID.
Hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm not proper.
Hello. Yes, Prab.
Ma'am, my network swipe is works.
Prab, I can't understand you.
Hello.
Yes, Prab.
Ma'am, can be explain again?
Can we explain?
मैम अगेन दोबारा से एक्सप्लेन कर दो, कल लास्ट में जो बताया था।
क्या एक्सप्लेन करना है प्रभ?
मैम जो से कौन सा होमवर्क टाइप बताया था आपने?
ये आइटम है हमारा जिसको हम बोलते हैं डिस्क्राइब इमेज. ओके. Okay, what I'll do is like I will share all these things with you. I will not share the task directly. I will share all these things with you. And it says that describe image. You have to write one or more sentences. And then 60 seconds to do this. And how we should do it is to frame our keywords and then start writing the sentence. Best is that you should write 2 to 3 sentences. Just don't write one single sentence. Okay. And if you need any details,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, one doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, in live scenario, we don't have any note like making keywords. So there, how we'll do this session?
See, exactly. That's what I'm telling you. 1 week you do practice with keywords. Next time, maybe see tomorrow, which I'm giving you today, the practice test, do that with keywords. It will have somewhere around 10 images. The
Yes.
next describe image task that you will get from me, then stop doing with keywords. Quickly try to frame the sentences. You have to practice accordingly.
Okay.
Okay, everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Okay,
I
ma'am.
would receive your email IDs once the call is disconnected.
Hello?
Yes.
Hello,
Okay,
ma'am.
everyone. Yeah.
Ma'am, Arun Kumar.
Yes, Arun.
मैम एक्चुअली
Hello?
ये बताइए कि स्पीकिंग के लिए क्या कर सकते
Hello?
हैं मुझे
One.
स्पीकिंग में
Let
बहुत
Arun
प्रॉब्लम है
finish. Yes,
Hello?
Arun. क्या कह रहे हो आप?
मैम मुझे स्पीकिंग में बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम है
Hello?
और
Hello,
मुझे
ma'am?
अंडर 10 डेज में ये टेस्ट देना है
Okay, Arun, just a second. Agar speaking you have a problem, so from today onwards you should start listening to IELTS speaking cue cards.
व्हाट
Start
मैम
listening to IELTS
Hello?
speaking. Start
Hello,
listening.
ma'am?
Just
मैम
a
प्लीज
second. Let me finish with Arun. Okay. So I start listening to IELTS speaking and start reading to IELTS cue card, which are easily found on Google.
मैम आई हैव कंप्लीटेड ऑलमोस्ट 8-9 बुक्स ऑफ आइल्स and of speaking part and I got 32 out of 40.
32 out of 40?
Yes, ma'am.
In what?
Ma'am, speaking section.
32 out of 40?
Ma'am, 30
What
30
the
marks
hell?
out of 40.
I don't know.
Ma'am,
Speaking.
in speaking portion in IELTS there are 40 questions.
In speaking, which 40 questions are there?
Oh, sorry, ma'am.
Listening, writing, and what you're trying to say.
Arun, everyone, please understand that if you want to improve your any of the English, listening, reading, writing, or speaking, you need to start watching something which is in English, and you need to start speaking also. So when you speak, let's say you don't have anyone else at your home with whom you can talk in English. So what you can do, you can record yourself. Okay, try to record yourself and check and assess your speaking again. Where are the grammar errors? What else you could have added? All these things you can do.
Okay.
But this is not an immediate process. It takes time to improve.
Yes, ma'am.